Ranjani Shettar was born in 1977 in Bangalore, India. She is a visual artist, who is known for her large-scale sculptural installations. Ranjani Shettar is the first ever living Indian artist to have a solo exhibition at the Metropolitan Museum of Art in New York City in 2018. Her work was described as compelling both abstractly and figuratively, gravity-defying, and a fine synthesis of unlikely materials. Shettar is an artist that is both innovative and modern as well as in tune to tradition. Her art is both inspired and responsive. Ultimately, it is administered equally by a subjective logic and ideology, one that incorporates observation, slowness and social responsibility. Her work has been praised all over the world, called bold experimentation in Boston, observatory and reflective in Washington, radically transformative in New York, stunning and sensual in San Francisco.